श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपातबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरुहभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये। श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। Srimate Godayai Namaha. Andal started the Pavai Nonbu, the Vratam in the Hemante Pratame Kale in the Margari month, and she sang 30 pasurams, and already we have seen 25 pasurams in which she has woken up the Gopikas, Nandagopan, Yashoda and Krishna himself, and requested Krishna to come and sit on the throne, Simhasana, to bless them. When he is walking, they did Mangala Sashanam to the feet, valor, fame of the Krishna. When Krishna asked what they really want means, they are tell, Unnai Aritittu Vandam, we want you only. Parai Tardiyagil, we want the Parai from you only. So in today's 26th Pasuram, Male Manivanna, Andal is going to ask the instruments what she required for doing the Vratam. We will see the Pasuram and the meaning of this Pasuram along with the Divyadesham referred for this Pasuram, that is Sri Villibuttur. Because Andal sang Ali Nilayai. The deity in the Sri Villibuttur is Vadapatrasai. So Sri Villibuttur is referred for this Pasuram. Male Manivanna Margari Neeraduvan Melayar Seivanagal வேண்டுவன கேட்டியேல் ஞாலத்தையெல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன பாலன வண்ணத்துன் பாஞ்ச சந்நியமே போல்வன சங்கங்கள் போய்ப்பாடுடையனவே சால பெரும் பறையே பல்லாண்டிசை பாரே கோல விளக்கே கொடியே விதானமே ஆலி நிலையாய் அருளேலோரெம்பாவாய். This pasuram is very special because Andal sang about the deity of Sri Villiputtur, which is her native place. And the pasuram starts with Ma. Ma means Mahalakshmi, auspicious. That's why Andal started the first pasuram also Margari Tingal with Ma, and 5th sloka Mayanai Mannu Vadamadurai, and 23rd sloka Mari Malai Munjil, and now 26th Pasuram with Male. In this Pasuram, Andal is requesting Panchajanyam Shank as a mark of Tirupalli Ezhi, and a big drum, and the people who sing Ashirvadam and Pallandi, Namasankirtam, etc. Kola Vilakku, a beautiful lamp, Kodi, a flag, Vithaname, a shelter or a Shamyana. By hearing this, Krishna is asking, in the yesterday Pasuram you told Unnai Aritittu Vandam, you want only Parai, but now you are asking so many instruments. Then Andal says, we started this Vratam because our villagers let us come out from the houses, and because of that only we are able to see you and to talk to you and to see the beauty of your work, etc. And now we are in front of you. Villagers sent us to do the Vratam to get the good rain for the village. So Andal did not want to forget the help what the Gopas have done for them. So to complete the Vratam and to perform the Vratam, they want the instruments. That only she is asking with Krishna. She is telling again also, for Andal, the Parai means it is only Kaikaryam. But because the Gopas sent them for doing the Vratam, she should comply with the instructions of the villagers also. She wants to continue the Vratam as per the villagers' instructions. Male Manivanna. Male means love. She is calling Krishna as love only. She should have called that one who possesses love. Here, Krishna is having love and affection, abundant love towards the devotees. So he can be called as Male, the love himself. Like we call the Bhagavan as Sarvajna because he possesses knowledge. We will call him as Ananda. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Anando Brahmeti Vejanat. So we call him as Ananda, pleasure, which is the essence of Bhagavan. So here Andal is calling him as Male. He is having Vyamoham, Mal, blind love towards his devotees, which is the essence of the Bhagavan. He is Ashrita Vyamohan. Manivanna. He is like a blue stone in color. Vedanta Desikan also tells Harinila Shila Vibhanga Nilaha. If something is very superior and not approachable means we cannot go near to that. But a gem which is very superior quality, but we can have it in our hand in a small bag also. Though it is superior, it is very very simple to have. Like the gem here, Bhagavan also supreme, but he is so simple and he is having Saulabhyam Karuna towards the devotees. The love he has towards his devotees shown outside by his form Tirumeni also as a Neela Mega Shamalan. Neela Megam, dark cloud will give rain to us. Here this Neela Megam will shower his blessings to us. Male Manivanna Margari Neeraduvan. We have come to perform the Margari Nonbu by doing Neeratam. Krishna is asking, is there any pramanam? From where did you find that rain will come if the Margari Nombu Vratam is performed? Is there any precedence to do this one? Andal says, I don't know whether Vedas have prescribed this or people like Manu, Yajnavalya or Bodhayana have written in the Smriti text. We know our predecessors have done that one. When it is done by our elders, it is worthy only. In the second Pasuram, she told Seyyadana Seyyum, what our elders have not done that we won't do. Here she is telling Melayar Seivanagal, whatever our elders have done, that only we will follow. Melayar Seivanagal, Venduvana Ketiyal. Please listen. Krishna is listening only now. Why Andal is telling KTL? Because he is Male, he is Pittan towards the devotees. By seeing all the 5 lakh Gopikas, he is speechless. He is turning towards the Gopikas. So Andal is reminding him to KTL, please listen to our request. We want 6 things. First one is ஞாலத்தை எல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன பாலன்ன வண்ணத்து உன் பாஞ்ச சன்யமி. We want a car. The sound from that, the entire world should tremble. It should be Palanna Vannathu. It should be white in color, which denotes the Sattva Gunam. And it should be big in size. And the sound should be very, very loud. And it should like your Panchajanyam only. In Mahabharata, when Krishna blows this Panchajanyam before the battle begins, Sa Gosho Dhartarashtranam Hrudayani Vyadharayat. The sound of the Shankam broke the hearts of all the 100 Kauravas and their army. They all are as good as dead at that time itself. At the same time, the same Nadam from the Shankam, it was very auspicious, Mangalakaram to Rukmini. So the sound from the Panchajanyam will make the people tremble if they are enemies and to enjoy if they are the devotees. Andalas Polvana Sangangal Poipadu Udayanave. We want lot of conch like this, which has big fame like the Panchajanyam. Second thing she is asking is Sala Perum Paraye, a big drum like a Beri Vadyam, to inform everybody in the village about their Vratam. Third one, Pallandu Isaipare. People to come with them to sing Ashirvadam, Pallandu, and Mangalasasnam, and to do Nama Sankirtanam. That's why Pallandu Isaipare she is asking to do the Nama Sankirtanam also. Kola Vilakke, beautiful love. And all is telling because they are going in the early morning, so to see each other's face and to enjoy the Krishna and his expressions. So they want the light, beautiful light. Fifth one, Kodiye, a flag, which shows their identity. Sixth one, Vitaname, a shelter, like a Shamiana cover on the top of them to save from snow, ice that is falling in this Margari month early morning. When Andal asked the Shankam and everything, Pare and everything for all the 5 lakh Gopikas, Krishna is asking, you are asking to give me 5 lakh Shankam and everything to all the Gopikas? How can I give? Is it possible? Andal is telling, you have the Agatita Gatana Samarthyam. You can make any impossible things also possible one. Oh Krishna, in the Pralaya Kalam, you were sleeping on a all ilai, a banyan tree leaf, as a small baby and swallowed the entire world. ஆலமாமரத்தினிலை மேல் ஒரு பாலகனாய் ஞாலமேழும் உண்டான் அரங்கத்தரவினனையான். திருப்பானாழ்வார் in his Amaranathi Piran Padigam experiences Ranganatha himself as a ஆலிலை கண்ணன். நம்மாழ்வார் also says that பள்ளி ஆலிலை ஏழுலகும் கொள்ளும் வள்ளல் வல்வயிற்று பெருமான். ஆலின் இலையாய். Bhagavan is sleeping on the banyan tree leaf. See, the banyan tree seed will be very, very small, but the big banyan tree is inside that seed. Like that, Krishna is sleeping as a small boy, but the entire world is in his stomach. We can compare also in English, all in all. So, he is all in all. So, everything is within him only. ஆலின் இலையாய் அருளேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். Krishna, you please give all the instruments that is needed for the vratam. Now Krishna is satisfying the requirements of the Andal. Panchajanyam. So there is no Shankam like Panchajanyam. So he is ready to give his Panchajanyam only. And he is also telling in the 6th Pasuram, we told na, Pullum Silambinagan Pullarayan Koil, Vellai Vilishangin. There is one Shankam also like this in the temple, that also you take. And you take the conch, what I am using to call out the cows also. Sala Perum Pare. Okay. Pare, the drum used by the Jambavan in the Trivikrama Avatara. That one you take. Okay, you are asking Perum Pare na. That Perum Pare used in the Ramayana by Sugriva and all during that war. Sala Perum Pare. Oh, the Pare, the drum, what I have used in the Kudakkuth. This dance is very famous among the Gopikas. These Gopikas will be dancing on the parts. Krishna will tie the drums in his waist and he used to play the drums. So Krishna is telling you take those drums also. Then Pallandu Seipare. Krishna knows only Periyalvar who sang Pallandu Pallandu. He sang Kappidal Pasurams, that is taking out the Drishti to the Tiruvellarai Pundarikaksha Perumal. Kola Vilakke, the lamp that illuminates everything. Bhagavan gave Nappinai herself as lamp because Nappinai illuminates the Jivatma by preaching to them, and she removes the anger of Bhagavan also and illuminates him so that he can accept when we surrender to his feet. Kodiye, Garuda is the flag for the Bhagavan, so he is giving that Garuda only. Garuda put Kodi. Vitaname, Bhagavan's Vitanam is Adiseshan only. Krishna is ready to give his Panchajanyam, Garudan, everything, but he is not ready to give the Adiseshan. Nachatena bina nidram labate purushottamaha. He cannot sleep without that bed, that is Adisesha. In Ramayana also, if Rama is separated from Lakshmana, he cannot sleep. 10 months by separation from Sita also, he could bear and he could sleep. But if she is separated from Adisesha, the Lakshmana, he cannot sleep at all. So as requested by Andal, Krishna gave his Panchajanyam, his drums used in the Kudakkuth Natyam, and Periyalvar, Nappinai Pirati as lamp and Garuda as flag, and for the Vitanam, he gave his upper garment, the Pitambaram. Krishna gave all the things belongs to him to Andal and their Goshti and made them also equal to Krishna. But in tomorrow's Pasuram, Andal is going to ask the fruit out of this Vratam in spite of completion of the Vratam. That is Kodare Vellim Sir Govinda. We will enjoy and experience the Pasuram tomorrow. Divyadesam referred for this Pasuram is Srivilliputturu. In this Pasuram, the key word is all in Ilayai. The Lord of this Divyadesham Srivilliputturu is Vatapatra Sayi. All in Ilai Mel Amarndani. And it is towards him that the word is addressed. It is not only Andal that experienced Vatapatra Sai as Sri Krishna, Periyalvar also in the form of Yashoda experienced Sri Krishna as the Lord of Srivilliputturu. In his Periyalvar Tirumozhi, பாலகன் என்று பரிபவம் செய்யேல் பண்டொரு நாள் ஆலின் இலை வளர்ந்த சிறுக்கன். In Srivilliputturu, along with the Vatapatra Sai temple, we can have the darshan of Goda, Rangamannar and Garudarvar. That is, the Periyalvar is the Amsam of Garudarvar. So So all the three we can have the darshan at Srivilliputtur. One more significance of Srivilliputtur is this icon, the temple Gopuram, is used in the Tamil Nadu government's emblem. மூலவர் வடபத்திரசாயி ரங்கமன்னார், தாயார் ஸ்ரீ கோதாதேவி. ஸ்ரீ கோதா சமேத ஸ்ரீ வடபத்திரசாயினே நமக. ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமதே கோதாயை நமக.